Bridget. Thought it would be easier just to send you a quick video. One thing I want to try, actually two things to check. So if you go to your Start menu, we want to open the control panel. And then if it opens like this, then just hit Category, Small Icons. We want to go to Network and Sharing Center, change adapter settings, and then whatever is shown in here, right-click, just make sure they're enabled. The next thing we want to do is right-click your Start button, go to Device Manager, maximize this window, and then expand Network Adapters. You'll see your Ethernet card and then your Wi-Fi card. So this is my desktop. I don't have Wi-Fi, but click on your Wi-Fi card, right-click, go to Uninstall Device. Do not check that. Hit Uninstall. It'll remove itself immediately. Next thing, you want to go up here to the top and then highlight your computer name and then hit Action, Scan for hardware changes. And I usually do that twice. You can close out and then go ahead and just restart your computer and then see if the Wi-Fi networks are visible, and then just let me know.